Sell-through rate is the difference between buying stock that sells and buying stock that becomes loft insulation. Most resellers look at sold data, but that's not enough. Because something can sell for good money, but can sit for over a year. I built a free sell-through calculator to stop me making stupid buying decisions. If you want it, it's in the link below. In essence, sell-through rate just tells you how quickly a certain item is gonna sell, how fast. That's it. Simple, right? You take how many of that item has sold, divide it by the amount of the same item listed. So here is the calculator. Okay, in this part, active similar listings, how many are available for sale, how many are sold. It's as simple as that. So if we go to eBay, so we want buy it now, we want pre-owned, we want UK only, we don't want that right now. So this here shows us how many items are for sale. So how many pairs of fat face cargo shorts are actually available on eBay for sale. And we have 521. So we'll put 521 in our sell-through checker, in our sell-through calculator. And the next piece of data we need is sold similar. So how many have sold? So to find out how many we've sold, we go down to the bottom and we click completed items and sold. So we have 496. 496. And we've got a 95.2% sell-through rate, which is ridiculously good. We're selling, or the items selling on eBay are 5.5 per day, which is quite high. So it's very strong. It's a definite pickup, and the calculator tells you that. But what if, like, how do we know how much to pick them up for? So that's why I put the buy calculator. Now in the buy calculator, we can put how much we expect to get for them, how much the item cost, postage charge to buyer, postage label cost, like all the details you need for an eBay sale. And it's got, if you promote your listings, it's got if you put coupons on, everything that you really need to know. Let's have a look on Vinted for some fat face cargo shorts. If we have a look here on Vinted, straight here, fat face cargo shorts, men's. We've got a pair, waist 36, in good condition for £5. £5.95, including the seller or buyer protection, and another £2 potentially for shipping, £2.60 for shipping. Okay, so probably come close to £9. If we go to the profit tab or the buy calculator and we put that, we expect to get around £24.95, because if we look here, we've got £21.50 there, £21.50, 33, 20, £25.99, £29.50, £24. So there's lots that are going for around that price or above. So if we put that in there, item cost, let's say £8.50, maybe £9, and bosh, it automatically, even if we put 5% promoted listings in there, we have the net sale after coupon. There was no coupon, so it's £24.95. eBay fee, £3.59. Promoted, £1.25. So total fees, total costs, 16. So our profit is £11.41 with a 90-day sell-through rate. So for bread and butter, for a quick churn, these are definitely a goer. They sell quick. You can make profit on it. If you do what I do and don't put promoted on for the first 14 days, then you might even get away without that 5% promoted listing as well. And if you do that, then your profit will be £12.66.
Now these are good because they're on Vinted all the time. From £4 to £6, it's a quick win. They're repeatable. You can get hold of the stock all the time. And coming into summer, you want a good average selling price, £25 is decent. You want a quick sell-through rate, so the item moves quickly, and it's seasonal. So it's a no-brainer really. You can do this with loads of different items. So you literally just check the price on Vinted, pop it into the tracker, and it will tell you whether or not it's a good buy. Download the tracker. It's in the link below. Doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be able to get really quick sell-through items, and you'll be able to check your profit on it as well to make sure that you're making money, because that's what it's all about in the end, isn't it? It's about having that extra bit of cash at the end of the month to take the kids to the fun fair or take the kids to the soft play. Sell-through rate. It's a beautiful thing. And once you learn it, you can't unlearn it. It's a cheat code. Get the tracker. Over and out. Peace. Beardy Bert.